just never knew how to tell you.
I would be able to talk about my life.
Continue what
I ever loved a lot.
I have two moms.
You want me to say it out loud?
Hello. This is to be a movie about flying.
Set up on 3. Clear on 3. Go ahead, start 3.
You wanted to know about piloting.
4, 6, win.
Well, largely it's a matter of putting across what we know about the airplane, what it'll do and what it shouldn't be asked to do. Maybe airplanes are like people. You don't really get to know them until after you've lived with them a while. Takes time, too, to get well acquainted with an airplane. Time to find out just how far you can go with her and still stay friends.
Ready to taxi?
Islewild ground control from Eastern Airlines Trip 601. Taxing instruction. Proceed via taxi strip.
Ready. Kansas City Tower, TWA Flight 2, ready for takeoff. TWA 2, clear for takeoff.
Race time, chase time, fun time every time. We need a couple more races for choice here. Have a seat, rest your feet. Choice of the house. We're going for any prize, any size. Have a seat and rest your feet. Come on over, ladies. You can get this too, you know. Right over here, guys. Got your seats all ready to go. Last chance, last call to get in this race, folks. Anyone else, folks? Here we go. Let's get them set and ready. Race them now, folks. Yeah, they're non-stop hip-hop smoking, folks, coming down the side. Yeah, that's right, here we flow. We're coming down the stretch. You got 12 down, 6, 6 in the lead down, 4, 4 to up 5. 5 coming down the stretch when you go 6. Who's it going to be coming down the stretch? Going to be lucky number 4. 4. Again, folks, another nice place. There goes one. Good job, big guy. Good job. Let's go. Good job, good job. Now back soon, we'll do it all over again, folks. We're going to do it one more time, folks. Get them in now, get them up. All right, last chance, last call. One more time, folks. Here we go.
Today, you're going to be entertained by our fire manipulator. Each fire and flame drinks burning gasoline.
DC-7 can fly any one of 6 courses, called tracks. With the 7, the captain can choose the course which will offer the fastest and smoothest trip.
Okay, Doc.
The captain, working with the advice of weather experts and flight dispatchers, has chosen track 1 for today's trip.
American Airlines, Flight 1. Now ready at gate number 2. All aboard, please.
Los Angeles Tower, United 94 is ready to go.
The plane is buttoned up.
Brakes off, and we're on our way. Things happen fast on the takeoff, and it's easy enough to tense up a little.
ATC clears, American 1, right call. Radar departure. Time on runway heading 1,200 feet. Mitchell range at 2,500 feet. Wind call at 3,500 feet. Expect further clearance via red 23, east spread, red 13, red 21, and green to Los Angeles. Report leaving 2,500 feet, and a
Check, double check, triple check. Then you're ready to fly.
94, runway 25, right, clear for takeoff.
94, roger, on the roll.
Passing 1,200 feet. Past 2,000 feet. And on up through the clouds.
Now 14,000 climbing.
Then at 14,000 feet, the sun comes up.
climbing to cruise at 20,000.
The 7 settles into its climb out of idle water.
rider, she won't throw you. Now let's see your rider.
On the approach, you bring her in slow and get your tail up as soon as you touch.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We're now at cruising altitude, 35,000 feet. In addition, we're benefiting from a substantial tailwind.
There you are. See how easily she wanted to get off?
Jim, contact Gander and tell them our problem.
Okay, fine. Now, Falcon, is this still running?
You can land her when you can't fly her sometimes.
We can't cure the problem.
We'll have to ditch in about 10 minutes. Let me know when you're ready back there.
Hey, how you doing? Hi.
Oh, that's Sally.
Thousands of people each day are exposed to the potential of ditching jet aircraft. Though an actual ditch is highly unlikely, the possibility is definitely there. Each of us must be aware of the problems involved and have the ability to overcome these problems using our training, common sense, and leadership qualities. Remember, it could happen to you.
All right? Okay. Bye.
Bye.
Well, that's the story of your airplane.
The same basic techniques and procedures can be applied to any commercial aircraft. See that all seat backs are returned to their normal upright position. Make certain that everyone has a life vest on and that all tray tables are stowed. Inform the passengers that the captain will tell them to assume the impact position 1 minute prior to touchdown.
Call the tower for takeoff clearance. Watch the command to call the tower for takeoff clearance. We're off to the races. Well, here we are. An old friend you'll remember from flying school days.